Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we're customizing a small business birthday card. Let's begin by mentioning the things you can't do on this template. You can't change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. The artwork on this template are the balloons and the confetti. Social media icons, the color cannot be changed. Everything else on this template can be modified. So if you want to change the color of the background, just shift the confetti a little bit towards the bottom, click on the background and you change the color. Just click on the confetti again and just put it back where it was. You can change the lines here, the color. The color of the text can also be changed, the size, and you can change the font type as well. And that goes for all the text. This section right here is grouped, so to ungroup it, just click ungroup. And you should be able to select each section on its own. So you can change the shape, the color of it. To edit the text, just double click and start typing. Let's upload our logo. Let's delete the placeholder. So this logo has a transparent background. If your logo has a color background like this one, what you want to do is go to Elements, scroll down to the section called Frames, click on the circle, click on your logo and drag. And now it should blend in with whatever color you choose for the background. You have the Spanish template below and social media icons on the last page. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching and you guys have an awesome day.